If you have ever thought of covering miles, flying like birds, ready to touch soaring heights and clouds, then paragliding is the sport made for you. And what could be the better place for the adventure than in the capital of paragliding itself, Beer Billing. Though the place needs no introduction, but for those who have heard less about it, Beer Billing is the destination that every paragliding lover craves to visit. Beer and Billing are two different valleys situated in the Dhauladhar mountains of Himachal Pradesh. The place is called the paragliding capital of India and has also hosted the Paragliding World Cup in 2015. While Beer is the takeoff spot, Billing is the landing point for the paragliders. Though the place is famous for this adventure sport, exploring Beer and Billing will give you a picture that shows much more about the valley than has been spoken about. Quiet and away from the crowded tourist spots of Himachal, the Beer Billing is home to the authentic Himachali charm, which is not too remote or far away from the civilization. The Beer Billing landscape on one side has snow-clad peaks, fields and lush forests, while on the other hand the soulful monasteries representing the blend of Himachali and Tibetan culture. Let's take a view at what one can do on visiting the valleys. Paragliding. Beer Billing is the world's second most famous spot for paragliding after Lake Como in Italy. While the tourists can visit the place throughout the year, paragliding adventure remains closed during peak monsoon season. Best months for this adventure sport are April to June and September-October. Culture, literature and food. If you want to know the real Beer beyond what the world has already heard of, then explore its culture, literature and food. Beer has been home to a number of Tibetan monasteries. These monasteries were created when Dalai Lama had come to India in 1960s and have been some of the most soothing places around the world. Morning and evening prayer chants of the monks will surely make you spellbound. Sherbilling, a monastery 5 kilometers away from Beer Billing, is one such place, surrounded by pine forest in village Bhattu. Dharmalaya Institute. If you are an ecotourism enthusiast, then Dharmalaya Institute is the place for you. The place is famous for its organic farming and sustainable development and also provides volunteering opportunity for such programs. 360-degree trek. Beer Billing is also the house for heartwarming trails, waterfalls, hot springs and tea gardens. One such trek is the Rajkunda Trek. Named as the 360-degree trek, the trail gives a 360-degree panoramic view of the Rajkunda Valley. The beautiful trail passes through the scenic routes with rhododendron, deodar and oak trees with the Kangra on one and Rajkunda Valley on the other side. Also, if you want to enjoy a relaxed, laid-back journey, then the Kangra Valley toy train that runs between Pathankot and Joginder Nagar, covering 160 kilometers in 10 hours, could be your escape. The place is also a foodie's paradise with cafes and dine-outs serving a variety of Tibetan, Chinese, Lebanese, Italian, German and South Indian delights. There are 3 ways to visit Beer. If you opt for the air travel, then Gaggal Airport in Dharmshala would be the nearest arrival point, which is 70 kilometers away from Beer. The train route will take you to the nearest station of Pathankot or Chakki Bank, which is 140 kilometers from the place. Other than that, you can also opt for the road travel that includes buses, Volvos or your own car. Away from the noise, honks and super fast life of the metros, Beer Billing could be perfect escape for you to hold on, relax and breathe in all the freshness around you.